Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete apps from your Motorola Moto G23. Let's say you have too many apps, you want to delete some apps to, I don't know, gain space, or you just don't use an app as much as you thought you would, and now you want to get rid of it because you just don't use it anymore and it's a waste of, well, space. Let's say we want to delete a Lieferando now. We press and hold and then move it around, and then this pops up here. Remove and uninstall. Let's say we click remove, then Lieferando disappeared from our home screen, but if we go to our menu, Lieferando is still here. So we press and hold again and then go to uninstall, and then it asks us if we really want to uninstall this app. Yes, uninstall Lieferando. So now it's not on our home screen anymore and also not in our menu. So that's how you delete apps from your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.